Hi guys, welcome to a new video on fake and real. Today we're going to talk about the diamond selector number 2 and how to identify fake or confirm real diamonds and if there are any diamond elements in the object itself. Now first thing, if we take the front of the diamond selector, we can see we have a LED indicator, and that goes from 1 to 8, and then it has 4 extra bars, and that is the diamond indicator. We have lamp on battery, and we have lamp on ready. We have the volume, so that's the on and off switch that you can adjust to different levels. On the back, we have a chart with the temperature and the carat, and we also have levels. Now if it's a diamond ring that has a small diamond like the screw hole size, or when we're talking about sapphire or other emeralds, you take the second one, and if it's bigger like glass or laptop screens, etc., you will have to choose the last one. So let's turn it on. So the first thing when you click it on is the lamp indicator lights up. So you need to actually wait a couple of seconds until the light goes on of the lamp ready. Use the volume to go to the levels. Once you're there, put your finger on the resistor plate and hold down the ring or watch. Put the tip right on top of the glass or object and push down. It will then measure if it's a diamond or if there are diamond elements in the object, yes or no. If it reaches the last 4 LED lights and beeps, then it means it has diamonds in it or it's a real diamond. But if you hit metal while measuring, it will give you a rapid beeping, and this will indicate that there is a fault and need to retry again. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope these tips helped you with identifying a fake diamond or glass type. If you have any questions, go to the comment section. And again, thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.